Under the relentless sun, Yusuf trudges along a dusty road, leading his horse, Bartholomew. Bartholomew struggles under the weight of heavy bags of salt. Yusuf glances suspiciously at Bartholomew, noticing his deliberate stumbles. The air hangs heavy, thick with the buzzing of flies. The creaking of the cart adds to the oppressive atmosphere. Yusuf mutters under his breath, "That horse is getting lazier by the day." Bartholomew approaches the riverbank, a mischievous glint in his eyes, suggesting a prank. With a dramatic splash, Bartholomew accidentally slips and falls into the water, feigning surprise. Yusuf sighs, his face showing mock exasperation at Bartholomew's antics. As Bartholomew rises from the river, the salt bags appear noticeably lighter. Bartholomew gives Yusuf a look of mock innocence, testing Yusuf's patience. Yusuf narrows his eyes, stroking his beard thoughtfully, a hint of suspicion in his gaze as he mutters, "He thinks he's so clever." Yusuf meticulously loads bags of cotton onto Bartholomew, preparing him for a task disguised as a treat. Bartholomew, blissfully ignorant, eagerly anticipates his refreshing dip, his eyes reflecting pure joy. With unrestrained gusto, Bartholomew wades into the river, expecting the usual cool embrace, his excitement palpable. The cotton turns treacherous, absorbing water and turning Bartholomew's anticipated pleasure into a desperate struggle. As Bartholomew battles the weight, Yusuf watches from the bank, quipping, "Looks like someone's carrying a heavy heart today."